Here's how one person can load a full-size vending machine. First, the operator lifts the vending machine inside the warehouse using PikaLift's electric lift system. The platform keeps the load steady and controlled, even with bulky or heavy machines. Next, he pushes the vending machine across the floor toward the truck. Once at the truck, PikaLift raises the vending machine to bed height. No ramps, no balancing, and no risk of tipping. The machine is then slid safely into the pickup truck, ready for transport. Now the operator loads the PikaLift itself. The lift climbs into the truck bed and rides along with the cargo, so everything is delivered in one trip. PikaLift rolls into the truck and locks into place beside the vending machine. This entire process is done by one person in just minutes. PikaLift makes vending machine deliveries faster, safer, and more affordable for small businesses. No docking, no forklift, no problem. Learn more at PikaLift.com.